Dear students, welcome to our fluid mechanics class. So last class we seen about vertical plane and horizontal plane immersed in surface. Okay. So in this class, in the fluid mechanics chapter, we will discuss about an inclined plate. Okay. Or inclined plate is immersed in the water or some other liquid. Okay. So we already seen the derivation for this case. Okay, so this is our inclined plate. So this inclined plate having very less thickness, and this is the approximate uh, shape of the surface. So this will immersed at an angle theta from the free liquid surfaces. Okay, so for the total pressure formula, we know that rho g a h bar. This is the formula for all the cases. Okay, and h star is equal to ig sin square theta divided by a h bar plus h bar. Okay, so this is the formulas. So here we can uh, additional, we can write the additional term sin square theta is there. So in case of vertically submerged surface or horizontally submerged surface, we have the formula Ig divided by AH bar plus H bar. Here one additional term, it is sin square theta, because of the surface is placed in an inclined manner. So we have to calculate that what is the total pressure, center of pressure. Here this is G, acceleration due to gravity. It is placed the height of H bar, and this is the total pressure acting point, that means center of pressure point. So this is H star. Okay, so using this formula we can find the total pressure and the center of pressure. So now we will see the problem. So this is the first problem. So a rectangular plane surface of 3 meter wide and 4 meter deep lies in water in such a way that its plane makes an angle 30 degree. So this is the rectangular plate. Assume that this is a rectangular plate. It is 3 meter and 4 meter. It is placed 30 degree from the free water surface. So determine the total pressure and the position of the center of pressure when the upper edge is 2 meter below the free water surface. So this is your upper edge. Sorry, this one. Okay, this is your upper edge, and this is placed exactly 2 meter from the free water surface. So this plate is placed in an inclined manner like this. So this is our top view. Okay, so you can see from the top. So it shows a rectangular shape. So how to find the total pressure, center of pressure? So we know that F is equal to rho g a h bar. This is the total pressure formula. Okay, so rho is, since it is water, so 1000, and area. Area means area of the plate. So here size is 3 meter into 4 meter, hence it is 12 meter square. Okay, and h bar is the depth of CG of plate from the free water surface. So here you can see h bar. H bar is the from the free water surface to the center of gravity point. Okay, so we know that already up to upper edge it is 2 meter. So now we have to calculate from this E point to B point, that means BE point. Okay, once you find this BE point, you can add this 2 meter, we can get the overall depth of the center of gravity point height. Okay, so now how to calculate this BE? Okay, first step is we have to calculate this BE. So now take this small triangle, take this small triangle. So this triangle having angle theta. Okay, so now we want opposite side height, opposite side height. Okay, so we want opposite means we have to put sin theta. Okay, so what is meant by sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, so we want B means sin BC into, this is BC is the hypotenuse, BC into sin theta. So here theta, what is the theta value they given in the question? It is 30 degree. Okay, so the hypotenuse value is 2 sine 30 degree. Okay, so hypotenuse length is 2 meter and sine 30 degree. We can get the opposite side height. So already we have this 2 meter. So the overall depth from A to B is 2 plus 2 sine 30. So it is equal to 3 meter. So the center of gravity point located 3 meter from the free water surface. Okay. So now apply all the data in this equation. Rho g A into h bar. So 1000 into 9.81 into 12 into 3. We can get the answer. So 353 167 Newton. That means 353.167 kilonewton. It is in Newton divided by 1000 means we can get the answer in kilonewton. Next come to center of pressure. That means H star. So H star formula, what is the formula? Since it is in inclined surface, so Ig sin square theta divided by AH bar plus H bar. Okay. So area we already calculated, H bar already calculated, theta value 30 degree. So only unknown value here means Ig. What in by Ig? It is the moment of inertia about the centroidal axis of the plate. Okay, about the centroid. That means center of gravity G point. Okay, so Ig, what is the formula? Ig equal to, for rectangular shape, it is BD cube by 12. So B is 3 meter, D is 4 meter. So it is 4 cube divided by 12. It is 16 meter power 4. Unit of moment of inertia is meter power 4 or mm power 4. Okay, so we substituted in meter, so it is meter power 4. So H star is equal to 16. So substitute all the values in this equation. So we can get Ig sin square theta sin square 30 divided by 12. Area is 12 and H bar is 3. So we get an answer of 3.111 meter. So this is the answer. Okay. So G point, that means H bar is 3 meter. Okay. H star is 3.11 meter. So always H star is lies below the G point. That means H bar point. Okay. Keep it in your remember. So this P point always less than the lower than the G point. Okay, is it clear? So shall we move to next problem? So previous case, it is the rectangular section. This is the rectangular section. Now in this problem, it is the circular section. Okay. So what is the difference between the angle between the previous sum and this sum means previous sum angle is they given, that means 30 degree, but here you can see angle is not given. Angle is not given. Angle we have to find. Okay, so I'll read the question. A circular plate 3 meter diameter is immersed in water in such a way that it is greater and least depth below the free surface or 4 meter and 1.5 meter respectively. Determine the total pressure on one face of the plate and the position of the center of pressure. So the greatest and the least depth means upper edge and lower edge depths. Upper edge and lower edge. So here you can see this. A plate is immersed in a some angle theta. So this is your upper edge. Okay. So this upper edge is 1.5 meter. That means this edge. Okay. In a circular section, this edge is located at 1.5 meter from the free water surface. And the lower edge is 4 meter from the free water surface. Okay. That means the BE value is 4 meter and the DC value is 1.5 meter. Okay. So now calculate the height of H bar. So how to calculate this H bar value? Okay. So now you can see distance of CG from the free surface. That means from G point to this point, free water surface. How to calculate? So here CD point we already know. The CD point we already know. What is this? This is 1.5 meter. So this point we don't know from here to here. Okay. So once we know this height, we can easily calculate the overall height. Just add this value plus this 1.5 meter as per our previous sum, we can easily get the answer. Okay. So now 1.5 plus this height is 1.5 sin theta. Consider this triangle. Okay, the diameter is 1.5 meter, sorry, 3 meter. So half of this is up to the center of gravity, it is 1.5 meter. So this height is 1.5 sin theta. So now we have to calculate sin theta. So what is the sin theta formula here? Consider this whole triangle. That means ABC. So now tell me sin theta is equal to opposite. That means AB divided by BC. AB divided by BC. Okay. So now what is AB? I want AB. So how to calculate AB? So here AB value not given. Instead of AB value, they given BE value. BE. Okay. BE value and CD value. Okay. So now calculate AB. So AB is BE minus CD. Okay. BE. So from this side minus this side. Okay. Or BE minus AE. So here AE height and CD height both are same. Okay. So from this calculate the sin theta value. So from this sin theta is equal to 0.8333 value. Okay, sin theta. So now calculate H bar. H bar value 1.5 plus 1.5 sin theta. So 1.5 plus 1.5 0.833. So finally we get an value H bar is equal to 2.749 meter. This is the height of the center of gravity from the free water surface. Okay. So now calculate the total pressure. Once you easily find the H bar value and A value also we have. So A value, it is a circular section. What is the A value formula? Area formula is pi by 4 into D square. So here D is 3 meter. So pi by 4 into 3 square, how much? It is 7.0685. Okay. So now substitute all the values here. So 1000, rho is 1000, G is 9.81 and A is 7.0685 and H bar is equal to 2.749. So finally we get an answer. Okay. So 190621 Newton. If you convert it in kilonewton means 190.62 kilonewton. So next calculate the center of pressure. So center of pressure formula Ig sin square theta divided by AH bar plus H bar. Okay. So Ig is equal to 5 by 64 into D power 4. Okay. So in case of rectangular section, it is BD cube by 12. But in case of circular section, the moment of inertia formula about the centroid is, it is 5 by 64 into D power 4. So pi by 64 into D is 3 meter. So power 4. We get an answer 3.976 meter power 4. Okay. So H bar is equal to how much we got? It is 2.891. Okay, 2.891. So from this you can see H bar is equal to 2.749 and H star is equal to 2.891. So always H star value is greater than the H bar value. Keep it in your mind for all the problems. This is applicable for all the problems. Okay. So now we will move to the next problem. So one more problem in rectangular section. So a rectangular plane surface 2 meter wide and 3 meter deep lies in water in such a way that its plane makes an angle 30 degree with the free surface of water. Determine the total pressure and the center of position of center of pressure when the upper edge is 1.5 meter below the free water surface. So here, so we seen a first problem. So same, okay, as per the first problem. So this is the diagram. Okay. So the size of the plate is 2 meter into 3 meter. Okay. So the center of the plate from here it is 1.5 meter. Okay, B to C point. And the height is from the upper edge is 1.5 meter. Okay. So now calculate the total pressure and the center of pressure. So total pressure formula rho g a h bar. Okay. So h bar is the, so here h bar, this is the h bar from A point to B point. So here already it is 1.5 meter. So take this triangle, we need opposite side. So 1.5 into sine 30 degree. Theta value is 30 degree. So 1.5 into sine 30 degree. Okay. So from this we can get h bar is equal to 2.25 meter. Okay. So therefore from this F is equal to 132.435 Newton. So in case of kilonewton, it is 132.435 kilonewton. Okay. So next, come to center of pressure. So center of pressure formula Ig sin square theta divided by H bar plus H bar. Okay. So Ig is BD cube by 12. So B is 2 meter and D is 3 meter. So it is D cube divided by 12. So Ig is equal to 4.5 meter power 4. Okay. So substitute all the values. So Ig 4.5 and theta 30 degree and the area. So here size of the plate is how much? 2 meter into 3 meter. Okay. So it is 6 meter square. Okay. So H bar we already found it is 2 point, here you can see it is 2.25 meter. So substitute all the values, we can get H star is equal to 2.333 meter. So now in this problem also you can see, so F is equal to 2.25 meter, sorry, H bar is equal to, it is 2.25 meter. Okay, but H star is equal to, it is 2.333 meter. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so always H star is greater than the H bar value. Okay, so I hope all of you understand the three cases, that is vertically immersed surface and horizontally immersed surface and inclined immersed surface. Okay, so this type of problem is very much useful to determine the how much pressure is developed under the fluid, okay, in a solid body. Okay, so this type of problem also design of pipes, practically used in design of pipes or design of ships, design of boats, or any type of submerged elements design. Okay, in a practical approach. Okay, so thank you students, I hope all of you understand. Thank you.